Guys, hey guys, today I'm just going to be showing you my house, if you guys remember, and by the way, I did get new shoes. What do you think? And I got a brand new keychain. It's like a bracelet. Oh, let me just move my fingers. Yep, look at it. And well, today I'm going to be showing you my house. Okay, you want to see it? Oh, you get to see it. Okay, here we are. I did break some pieces, and my mom's right over there. Mom, you want to show yourself?
Not really.
Okay. Well, Mom, just a little bit of you. Okay, it's not your face. Okay, don't mind that. And I did upgrade my gun store. I got myself a new table. Yeah, I do use this still. It's really old. Just put that back now. Huh? Mom? What? Okay. No, Uncle placed it there. Yeah, Uncle. Guys, sorry. I just don't want to reveal my uncle's name. Oh, sorry. And we got this gun. It looks like a... Oh, let me just reload it. I got no bullets. So there is like a million bullets in my grandma's house. And we got... Oh, I dropped that. No, I dropped that. Okay. Got this. This is one of my oldest Nerf guns, actually. Yeah. Just place that right back there. And we got my what's it called? Grill. My fake grill with Nay there. How you doing, Nay? Oh God. And I was gonna like place a flag on there, but maybe I'll do that sometime. Oh yeah, I did show them those new shoes, guys. What do you think of them? And well, I don't use this anymore. I might donate it. And we have this little table with my wood shop. Mom, don't worry. I won't show you. My mom doesn't like being on camera. So I did have a bow and arrow, but then it broke, and then it's now this is the only piece left of it. So I use that. Oh, we got the key. Now, I will not reveal this part, but it's my full name, so I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, this E keeps falling off. And since I don't have my bow and arrow anymore, this was the target. I might throw out this. And guys, I do have unfortunate news too. You want to see? Come here. Well, I'm just sad. It's down by here. Down. You guys might remember the cat that kind of went a little viral. Not much. He has sadly passed away. It's pretty sad. And you might be wondering, who was that? My grandma did have another cat, but she passed away in 2021. And yep, that'll be it for today's video. Wow.